You ever wonder why your brain turns small problems into giant disasters? Why a simple text, a small decision, or a tiny mistake suddenly feels like the end of the world? Psychology says overthinking isn't random. It shows how your brain tries to protect you, but ends up stressing you out instead. Let's break down the real psychology behind why you overthink simple things. When something is unclear, your mind fills in the gaps with the worst case scenario. Not because it's dramatic, but because it's trying to protect you. For example, your friend takes too long to respond, and suddenly your brain creates 10 imaginary disasters. This is called intolerance of uncertainty. Your brain would rather imagine danger than sit in the unknown. Overthinkers often believe, if I thought it, it must mean something. But thoughts aren't facts. Maybe they're upset with me. Maybe I messed everything up. Those are thoughts, not evidence. Psychologists call this cognitive fusion, when you merge your thoughts with your reality. Your brain replays embarrassing moments not to torture you, but to prevent them from happening again. Thinking about something you said 7 years ago at a party. This is called rumination. Your brain is trying to fix a past event, even though it's impossible. Overthinking happens more when your brain is tired. When your mind is overloaded, even simple things feel complicated. Choosing what to wear suddenly feels like solving a puzzle. This comes from cognitive overload, when your mental bandwidth is low. Your brain scans for threats automatically, so even harmless situations can feel risky. A harmless message like, "We need to talk," becomes a full panic attack in your mind. In psychology, this is called negativity bias. So next time you catch yourself overthinking, don't assume you're broken or dramatic. Your brain isn't attacking you, it's overprotecting you. And awareness is the first step to taking back control. If this helped you understand your mind a little better, hit follow. Because here we don't just think, we understand why we think.